All right, guys. Hopefully the lighting is good. So right now I'm just getting some gas. I'm about to hook up with a couple buddies. We're about to go to Chemical Guys Meet. They usually have some good cars there. Just check out what's going on, man. A little light video for today, so stick around. I don't know if I said it already, but I'm getting some gas, as you can see. And for the motherfuckers who's on my Instagram talking about when I went to Arco, as you can see where I'm at now. So say something now, okay? All right, I'll catch y'all when I get with my boys. All right, peace. All right, guys, so we here, man. My guy Dejan, man, I'll put his information on Instagram. He been wanting to get some pictures of my car for a minute. We finally hooked up, and he wanted to snap some pics before we go to the official meet and whatnot. Look at him doing this thing, man. Look at him doing this thing. Crouching low. Look at him, crouching tiger, hidden dragon. I got my guys, Rich and them over there. They brought their cars out.
So like, you should turn your car like sideways. You can get that?
Like this way?
Yeah.
All right, I got you. Look at him, boy, directing. That boy going places. That boy going places. Yeah, let him snap a few more pictures, then we're gonna go check out the meet. It is fucking packed. A few more pics and whatnot. I'm letting him do his thing. I love pictures in my car, and I don't take good pictures, so, you know, if I can get a professional to do it, that's all good. So, go take a few more pictures, and then we're gonna go check out the motherfucking meet. It is beyond packed. We had to park in the back. There's no spots. My guy Dejan had to park like down the street there. It is ridiculously packed, so I know the exits are going to be crazy. Now, if you get your own and you want to send it, that's cool.
Everything will be on story right now.
Yeah, ain't nothing wrong with that. Damn, bro, what the fuck? Got that Rari. So many cars here today, man. My gimbal is tripping, so excuse the shaky footage. I gotta take my gimbal back. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Give me another gimbal. Sheesh. Oh, there they go. Oh, she blocking the street. She blocking the street for us. Was you able to find it? You can find it? I think I just seen it. I think I just seen this on Instagram though. Dude had just bought it. That was the first person I saw. Okay, yeah. I had just seen him. Yeah, that's why I was like, he just got it and bagged it already. You gotta have that bread to do that. Bread gotta be right. Yeah. Usually people get a little crazy when they leave, but I don't think that's gonna happen today. people not to leave crazy. It's a RT. I've been watching this dude get his shit built up. He trying to find out what boy did to his car. This shit sound fucking right. People do that shit.
I see I'm about to back. I know it's picking y'all.
That's why I said, oh shit. Like, that's why I started walking away, but I still wanted to get the video. But that shit, god damn. Cool young man right there. Cool young man. I know you're gonna watch this, so appreciate everything you did, bro, as far as the pictures and all that. You know, I had to get you before the price went up. Because the price will go up, you feel me? Okay, excuse me. Okay, guys, so it's a new day. I hope you guys enjoyed the car meet yesterday. It was pretty dope. A lot of nice cars out there. And yeah. Bad thing though, my gimbal is trashed. I don't know what the heck happened to it, so I gotta hold the phone in my hand. Probably take it back to Best Buy and get another one, maybe tomorrow. Always buy your warranties, guys. Always buy the fucking warranty. Nevertheless, I just wanted to do like a quick little review of my car, man. 1 year review. I've had it for a year and a few days now. And quite frankly, man, I love it. Beautiful car. I love the color. I'll get to all that stuff. I was supposed to make another video about all that stuff a long time ago, and I still haven't done it. But overall, the car is great, man. If anybody's thinking about getting a Scat Pack, a Hellcat, you know, even a V6 or RT, if your budget allows that. These cars are great, man. Run good. My car in particular gets a lot of attention. It's just overall just a good car, man. I have really no complaints, no big complaints. The little stuff that I nitpick at, you guys will find out about that. But besides that, the car is great, man. I plan on having this car for a long time. You know, unless the dealership is like, yeah, we're gonna give you a Hellcat for the same price or cheaper. That's about it. You know what I mean? But yeah, that'll probably be the only fucking circumstance. But besides that, the car is great, man. I love it. I met a lot of great people because of this car, and I look forward to what else is to come. I think I'm at about 90 subscribers, 92, I think. I wish I would have started this YouTube the day I bought the car, you know, to fucking go through the process of everything, but, you know, better late than never. And I just thank everybody for rocking with me, man. You guys are great, very interactive. I just appreciate all the support. I think that's gonna wrap up this video, man. So thank you guys for watching again. If you like what you saw, please like, subscribe, comment, hit the bell, all that good stuff, man. Show your support, greatly appreciate it. The goal is to get to 100 subs, and then from there 150, from there 200, and so on and so forth. Maybe if I'm blessed to get to about 500 subs, maybe I'll do a giveaway. You know, maybe every 500 subs I'll do some type of giveaway or something like that. So but that's neither here or there. Thank you guys again. Everybody stay safe, stay blessed. And I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Peace out.